Hi students, good morning. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Students, in my last video lecture, already I discussed introduction to polynomial. And in this video class, I am going to teach you exercise problems based on polynomials. In that, first exercise number 2.1. So the first bit, which of the following equations are polynomials in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer is the question. Students, in my previous class already I discussed about polynomial. What is polynomial? An algebraic expression in which the degree of a variable is a whole number is called a polynomial. So once again I will repeat the definition. In an algebraic expression, the exponent of a variable or degree of a variable is a whole number. Such equations are called a polynomial. Such algebraic expressions are called a polynomial. So coming to the first example. So the first example is 4x square minus 3x plus 7. But our question is, which of the following equations are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State reasons for your answer is the question. If a equation become a polynomial, the highest degree of the equation is a whole number. The degree of the equation is a whole number. So here 4x square minus 3x plus 7. Here x is a variable. X is variable and x degree is 2. 2 is whole number and here x degree is 1. 1 is a whole number. Yes, it is a polynomial. And next, check whether it is in polynomial in one variable or not. See here how many variables are there? So only one variable. Yes, it is a polynomial in one variable. It is a polynomial in one variable. In one variable. Then again, state reasons for your answer. Why it is a polynomial? Because the degree of a variable is a whole number. Because the degrees of a variable is a whole number. Is a whole number. Then move to the second question. Next second question is y square plus root 2. Here y is a variable and y degree is 2. 2 is the whole number. Yes, it is also polynomial. Yes, it is a polynomial. And how many variables are there here? Only one single variable is there. Therefore, it is a polynomial in one variable. Polynomial and it is in one variable. Why? Why it is a polynomial? Because the degree of the variable is whole number. Because the degree of a variable is whole number. Therefore, it is a polynomial. Variable is whole number. The next third question. Move to the third question. 3 root t plus t root 2. Solution. Here root t is in a radical form. So convert radical form into exponential form. That becomes 3t to the power 1 by 2 plus t root 2. Students, how many variables are there here? Only single variable. This equation has single variable, that is t. And t degree is 1 by 2 and here t degree is 1. But 1 by 2 is not a whole number. 1 by 2 is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. And next move towards the next example, y plus 2 by y. So here y plus 2 by y is written as 2 to the power y minus 1 because y is in denominator and if this denominator moves to the numerator, the y power become negative, that is y to the power minus 1. Now here y plus 2y to the power minus 1. Y to the power 1 here and this y to the power minus 1. But here variable degree is not a whole number because minus 1 is not a whole number. Minus 1 is not a whole number. Therefore, it is not a polynomial. It is not a polynomial. And next, last example, x to the power 10 plus y cube plus t to the power 50. Here, x, y and t are the variables. How many variables are there here? Here 3 variables. But our question is, which of the following equations are polynomial in one variable? Yes, this is a polynomial, no doubt about that, because x to the power 10, 10 is a whole number, y to the power 3, 3 is a whole number, and t to the power 50, 50 is also whole number. Okay, so this is a polynomial, but polynomial in 3 variable it is. But our question is, which of the following equations are polynomial in one variable? Yes, it is not a polynomial in one variable. It is not a polynomial in one variable. Okay students, let us move towards the next bit. Exercise number 2.1, second bit. Second bit is write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. Students, once again I will read the question. Write the coefficients of x square in each of the following. So the question, what is coefficient is the question here. Coefficient means a number that used to multiply to the variable is called coefficient. So once again I will repeat, coefficient means a number that is used to multiply to the variable is called a coefficient. So here x square coefficient is 1. X square coefficient is 1. The question is write the coefficient of x square in each of the following. So in first equation 2 plus x square plus x is the equation. So in this equation x square coefficient is 1. Therefore coefficient is 1 here. Coefficient is 1. And in second equation 2 minus x square plus x cube. Here x square coefficient is 1. Therefore coefficient of x square is 1. And in third equation x square multiply with pi by 2. So coefficient of x square is pi by 2. And in fourth equation there is no x square term. See here, square root of x minus 1. There is no x square term. Therefore coefficient of x square is 0. Coefficient of x square is 0.